Welcome to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums and mops. On the left, we have the Narwal Freo, and on the right, the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus. It's going to be a battle of the bots, folks. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about price. The Narwal Freo comes in at a hefty $1,399. It's a significant investment, equivalent to buying a small used car, but it's designed to handle your floor cleaning needs. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus is much more affordable at $549. With that price difference, you could buy 3 Roombas and still have some money left over. Reviewers generally appreciate the value for money that the Roomba offers. Round 1 goes to Roomba. Next, let's discuss cleaning technology. The Narwal Freo boasts DirtSense Ultra Clean technology, intelligently detecting how dirty the mops are and sanitizing them with a scientifically mixed solution. Reviewers are impressed with its advanced mopping abilities and its effectiveness on hard surfaces. The Roomba Combo i5 Plus features a 4-stage cleaning system with dual multi-surface rubber brushes that avoid getting tangled with pet hair. Many pet owners appreciate this feature as it handles pet hair efficiently. The Narwal Smart Swing Mopping is also praised for reaching corners and baseboards effectively. However, the Roomba's Dirt Detect technology focuses on the dirtiest spots in your home, making it a strong contender. Both are impressive, but Narwal's advanced mopping technology takes this round. Now, let's talk about self-cleaning capabilities. The Narwal Freo is like the Marie Kondo of robot vacuums. It self-cleans, self-washes, and even dries its mop pads with 3 different modes. Reviewers love the convenience of these features, describing it as a robot spa for your vacuum. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo i5 Plus empties its bin into an enclosed bag that holds up to 60 days of debris. This feature is highly appreciated by those who prefer minimal maintenance. Though both have their perks, the Freo's comprehensive self-cleaning system edges out the competition in this round. Moving on to smart features, the Narwal Freo supports only 2.4G Wi-Fi, which might feel a bit dated for some users. However, it's stable and reliable. The Roomba Combo i5 Plus shines here with its compatibility with Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant, allowing users to control it via voice commands. Reviewers love the convenience of simply telling their vacuum to start cleaning. In this category, the Roomba's smart home integration is a clear winner. Finally, let's talk versatility. The Narwal Freo is gentle on various flooring types like vinyl, tile, laminate, hardwood, and marble. Reviewers with mixed flooring types in their homes appreciate this versatility. The Roomba Combo i5 Plus can switch from vacuuming to mopping with a simple bin change and has a specialized microfiber pad for wet cleaning. However, some reviewers find the bin switching process cumbersome. Despite this, the Roomba is praised for its practical approach to handling different cleaning tasks. In terms of day-to-day practicality, the Roomba wins this round. Overall, reviewers appreciate the Narwal Freo for its advanced cleaning technology and comprehensive self-cleaning system. However, its higher price point and occasional struggles with carpets are noted. The iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus is praised for its affordability, efficient pet hair handling, and smart home integration, though some users note issues with its mapping feature. Both products have their strengths, making them suitable for different needs and preferences. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.